Today we need to start on the tank. The objective is to make a smaller version of the standard tank. From that we'll make a carbon fibre mould and eventually end up with a carbon fibre tank with a reduced capacity and quite a bit slimmer compared to the existing tank. There we go, sectioning the old tank. So I'm going to cut it completely in half before I start taking out the sections. Now to cut down the middle. Two tanks, or two tank halves. Okay, so here is half of the tank, just positioned on how I think it's going to line up. So the Sharpie line running down the middle lines up with the frame. We have to take all the dents out. But I do think that shape is going to be quite nice. So that's a 40mm section taken out of the top, and it'll probably be about 20 or 30mm out of the bottom. This will give you an indication of the gap. So if I cut along that ridge in the center, let me put the cap on and have another go. There we go. Okay, so I've tacked the tank together to do a test fit. So this is 40 millimeters narrower than the standard tank. So we have put the indentations in there so that we can increase our lock. And that's right up against the stops down the bottom there. I'll take it off and put it on the other bike. There you go. Retaining the original shape, but sectioned down to be 40 millimeters slimmer. Still got dents in it, but it is going to be the plug for the carbon fiber version. But I will try and get this one sealed and use it for a little while and see how the shape goes. This is a good indication. You can see the difference between the two. Skinny, fat. Please add your thoughts and comments, like and subscribe. Let's grow this channel.